Hey everyone, Jeremy from Trading Stuff here, just doing an update on the Euro. Euro's stopped on Friday right at our one of our final critical monthly resistances there to the tick, and right now is in a very heavy resistance zone. So we're also in a potential weekly slingshot mode where usually when you see those white dots, it opens up for the possibility for the market to pull back. It's also a potential cycle inversion point, so I just have to be wary trying to sell the euro. As we've maintained for the last few days, we've not seen any weekly resistance move above price. So these levels here are still stuck down at 109 and haven't moved up above price on a weekly basis yet. So that's indicative that we need to be very careful with the euro this week. If we add in closing support and resistance, so our bullish target for the week on a weekly basis is 117759, and then you've got this semi-annual target up there at 119056 should the euro continue to break out. In terms of closing support and resistance, excuse me, wrong one. We've got levels still down here at this 11292. So really that's the area. We need to be under that for the bearish scenario, under 11292. In terms of where the market can go to, we've come up to this final resistance. There's a big gap that everyone can see here, right up to 129. We really need to close above this quarterly bullish pivot at the end of the quarter. So above 117072 at the end of Q3 would give permission for the euro to come back and test the long-term downtrend line, which is up at this 128, 129 zone. So we've had no continuation buy signals, which has been a little bit of a bit unfortunate. I mean, the last time we did have was all the way down here. So there's been nothing since then to warrant buying, and so particularly now that we're at this final resistance, it's a little bit hard to be pulling the trigger from the short side. We really need time to give us the answer here, but certainly a quarterly close above this level here is going to mean that the euro can rally another 10 to 11 cents. There are a couple of stops along the way. If you add in yearly supports and resistances, I know there's one here at sort of 1187. I think there's another one around 120, and then obviously the big boy is up at 128, 129. So it's all about time now and whether the euro can hang on to these levels. And as I pointed out before, weakness starts with the weekly close under 113. So hope that helps.